Yo, alright, so the last video, the mic volumes was so low, so I'm gonna try to speak into it closer. I did like how it sounded. It was low, but it sounded good. I don't want to completely ear rape anyone watching, but alright, let's get straight into it. First initial thoughts was honestly today, it's easy to say that in hindsight, but today honestly shouldn't have been a trading day because no news Monday and just we have a really volatile week ahead of us. Um, High impact news week ahead of us, and you know how Mondays go. Honestly, I should have just went off the charts at like around 9:30 around here, but then we saw a setup, so I took it. But the setup itself, I liked, hence why we took it. You know, I'm not gonna take a setup if it doesn't align with my rules and my plan, and if I don't like the setup. Uh, but yeah, we just got stopped out. We took this on ES today, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. We we're down almost exactly 500 on the day. Let's go full screen. All right, coming into the day on NQ, we actually took out some previous day. I was about to say Asian highs, but these were previous day highs. This is like some order block and fair value gap somewhere. I'm not gonna go all the way into it, but some hourly draws on liquidity. We took it out. We did get this invalidation right here. At first, when market opened, we actually took out these highs, and we could have had something because we did end up invalidating this gap, but we just dumped all the way there. No key levels. I'm pretty sure we didn't hit no key level. I don't even want to get into it because so much drawings on the chart right now. But after that move, we came up, took out some highs, made our move down. We didn't really see no place to enter off of, and so we just sat on our hands, waited for something, and then on NQ actually took out some London lows, and yeah, both of these sets of London hourly lows, took it out of that. Yeah, I could have took it on ES or NQ because that's where we swept our draws on liquidity. After that, I was looking for either this. Well, this is why I didn't take out NQ because we had two fair value gaps that I would like to see get invalidated. Um, and then on ES, we invalidated right here, and we also broke structure with the same candle. After that, I was looking for a 5 minute continuation, and which we got right here with equilibrium. And I guess uh, if you want to say a breaker or order block, but yeah, I took it off equilibrium. We actually made equal lows with this. So maybe that was a sign that's a strong draw on liquidity. Maybe we shouldn't take uh, a trade in the opposite direction if we have equal lows. And that's where we ended up targeting. So maybe, but I've seen a lot where just because we made equal lows, we still end up making our move. So I really don't want to. I don't want that to take away that out of this trade. I feel like there's something else we can learn rather than just this because I've seen it time and time again. But I guess we should have probably just got off the chart just because I tell myself I'm going to be on the chart until 10 to 10:30 Central Time. Doesn't mean we have to stay on the chart. If market's not really moving the way we want, we just need to hop off the chart. But yeah, so we came in. We didn't sweep this low. We came into equilibrium. This is order block, breaker block, whatever you want to call it. We come in. This is the continuation. After that, I'm looking for invalidation, in which we got right here. And you're probably saying, why didn't I enter off that invalidation? Well, well, initially I was looking at NQ first because we did come into the discount uh, better, I guess you can say. I like the way we came into the discount way better than we did on ES, but uh, then again, the reason why I took on ES because it was the non-lagging index, and I said this in the last video. I guess the non-lagging index kind of moves a little better than the lagging index, but I guess we probably should have took this on NQ, and our entry would have been right here after this invalidation. But I didn't take it on NQ because of the reason. One reason would be the non-lagging index, or it was the lagging index. But also, when we invalidated this, we didn't have an invalidation on ES, and so I was waiting for the invalidation on ES and also to get out of equilibrium. And with that, we enter with right here. We also filled this 1 minute gap. So honestly, everything aligned up perfectly. I enter with, I think it was 5 contracts. No, it was 6 contracts. And yeah, 5 + 1, 6 contracts right here. Stop loss low below these lows from equilibrium. Below these equal lows. And yeah, my take profits TP1 was based on this, and then these 3 other take profits were just solely based on Fibonacci tool I love to use. And yeah, that was my take profits, stop loss, and we just got stopped out. And so yeah, the main thing I'm taking away from this is just to know when to just hop off. Mondays, a lot of people know that Mondays are really choppy and kind of low probable, and so I should have took that into account. But we live and we learn, and this is just a lesson. I didn't lose, just a lesson to be learned here, and I'm ready. I'm ready to kill it for the rest of the week. We have NFP this week, and just tons of news. Tomorrow, Jotes. Next day, a lot of news. Hour before market open, and then 30 minutes into market open. Same deal with Thursday and NFP on Friday. So yeah, not much else to say. Let's go check on the month. This is our 10th trade this month, and yeah, still we're essentially break even on the month. But yeah, we are 10 trades into our 10 or to our 30 trade challenge, where we got to follow our rules, follow our plan, and yeah, I'm just striving to get 1% better every day, and that's the goal, man. Trusting the process, finding satisfaction in the process, and keep moving forward. So that's what I'm gonna do. Uh, I was willing to risk 500 to 600 today, and yeah, at this point it was 530. So again, market saved us uh, a good amount of money from what we were willing to risk. So now sitting out at about 1300 left till MML, and yeah, this month is ending in 2 days, and very, very happy with my patience for waiting for my setups, my risk management, my psychology. I feel like everything's aligning, and I just think it's a matter of time. It really is a matter of time till I get where I want to be, and I just got to keep doing the same things. And yeah, probably shouldn't have traded today, but we live and we learn. That's it. And yeah, see ya. God bless.